Welcome to our roundup of the best garden tillers. Whether you're preparing a new planting bed, breaking up compact soil, or maintaining a thriving backyard garden, having the right tiller can make all the difference. We've carefully selected top-performing garden tillers that deliver a perfect balance of power, ease of use, and durability. From lightweight electric models ideal for small gardens to heavy-duty gas-powered machines built for tougher soil, there's something here for every gardener. In this guide, we'll walk you through key features like engine power, tilling width, depth control, and maneuverability to help you choose the right tool. Be sure to check the description below for the latest deals, and let's find the perfect garden tiller for your needs. The first on the list is the Soarfly Upgraded Cordless Electric Tiller. The Soarfly Upgraded Cordless Electric Tiller steps things up with improved torque and enhanced battery efficiency, featuring a high-speed copper motor, a removable long-lasting battery, and 6 reinforced steel tines. This model is designed for gardeners who need more aggressive soil cultivation. The upgraded motor delivers strong rotational force, allowing the tines to dig deeper and break up tougher soil. With 6 steel blades working simultaneously, the tiller covers more ground in less time, making it ideal for medium-sized gardens and seasonal soil turning. It handles previously tilled areas with ease and can also manage moderately compact terrain. Battery performance is a strong highlight. The removable design allows for convenient charging and, if you have a spare battery, extended working sessions. This makes it practical for gardeners who need to prepare multiple beds in one go. The cordless design eliminates trip hazards and gives you complete freedom of movement around your yard. Comfort and safety are also well thought out. The adjustable handle height helps reduce strain, while the safety lock button prevents accidental starts. Despite its added power, the tiller remains manageable in weight, striking a good balance between control and strength. Overall, the Soarfly offers stronger cultivation performance and improved efficiency, making it a dependable choice for gardeners who want more digging power without sacrificing portability. Next up is the Hanguda 20V electric tiller. The Hanguda 20V electric tiller is built for home gardeners who want a compact yet capable soil prep tool. Powered by a 400-watt high-performance motor paired with a 20V rechargeable battery and equipped with 4 durable steel tines, this cultivator is designed to handle everyday garden tasks with ease. It delivers consistent torque for loosening soil, mixing compost, and preparing planting beds without the hassle of gas or cords. With its efficient motor, the tiller easily breaks through moderately compact soil and small clumps. The 4 sharp steel tines rotate quickly to create a fine, aerated texture that's ideal for vegetables and flowers. Its working width is suitable for small to medium-sized garden plots, raised beds, and narrow rows where larger tillers would struggle. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its lightweight build. It's easy to maneuver, especially for beginners or gardeners who don't want to strain their arms and back. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the push-button start makes operations simple and beginner-friendly. There's no need for fuel mixing, spark plugs, or engine maintenance. Overall, the Hanguda offers a balanced combination of power, portability, and simplicity, making it a smart entry-level cordless tiller cultivator. Next, we have the Lawnmaster Brushless 48V Max Cordless Tiller Cultivator. The Lawnmaster 48V Max Cordless Tiller Cultivator is designed for serious home gardeners who demand higher performance. It features a brushless high-efficiency motor, a 48V dual battery system, and a wide tilling capacity, giving it a noticeable advantage in both power and coverage. The brushless motor technology increases efficiency, reduces heat buildup, and extends overall lifespan. Overall, the Lawnmaster delivers professional-level power in a cordless format, making it an excellent choice for demanding soil preparation tasks. Next is the Alloyman 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator. The Alloyman 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator offers a practical mix of convenience and performance for everyday garden work. It comes equipped with a powerful 20V motor, hardened steel tilling blades, and a lightweight, compact frame, making it versatile for routine soil maintenance. This tiller is ideal for loosening soil before planting, aerating small plots, and maintaining flower beds. The hardened steel blades rotate efficiently to break up clumps and improve soil structure. It performs best in pre-worked or moderately compact soil, providing clean and even cultivation. One of its strongest advantages is maneuverability. The compact frame allows it to fit into tight spaces between plants and along garden edges. It's especially useful for raised beds and smaller backyard areas where larger tillers would be too bulky. The cordless design makes it extremely convenient. With a simple push-button start and minimal setup, it's ready to go within seconds. Maintenance requirements are low as there's no gas engine to service. The lightweight build also reduces fatigue during longer gardening sessions. Overall, the Alloy Man stands out as a reliable and user-friendly option that simplifies regular garden care without overwhelming the user. The last one on our list is the MZK-20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator. The MZK-20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator earns the top spot thanks to its refined balance of efficiency, durability, and ease of operation. It features a high-torque 20V motor, 4 rust-resistant steel tines, and an ergonomic adjustable handle, delivering dependable performance for most home gardening needs. This model is designed to handle soil loosening, compost mixing, and seasonal garden preparation with impressive consistency. The high-torque motor ensures steady rotation speed even when encountering denser patches of earth. Its steel tines are strong enough to break through compact soil while maintaining durability over time. Comfort is a major highlight. The ergonomic handle reduces strain on your wrists and back, allowing longer working sessions without discomfort. The balanced design enhances stability, making it easy to guide along rows and edges. Battery efficiency is well optimized for typical home garden tasks. It provides sufficient runtime for small to medium-sized plots, and the cordless setup eliminates noise, fumes, and fuel-related hassles. Overall, the MZK delivers strong, consistent performance in a lightweight and user-friendly design, making it the best all-around cordless tiller cultivator for most home gardeners. So that wraps up our picks for the best garden tillers available right now. Whether you are preparing a small backyard garden, breaking new ground for planting season, or maintaining large vegetable beds, there is a tiller on this list that can make the job faster, easier, and far more efficient. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tiller for your outdoor projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful reviews and buying guides. You can find links to all the products in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening and enjoy your growing season.